So can I ask you your own private property? So do you have any business with the port?
I'm on the port's private property.
Yes,
Who owns it?
it's a port.
Oh, so who owns the port? If it's privately owned.
So it is private property and it's subject to state laws restrictions.
Yeah, I mean everything's subject.
Yeah, of
subject to
course.
state
So,
laws,
I mean,
yeah.
I mean, there's actually, if you have a business to do with the port, I'll be more than happy to help you. But if there's no business with the port, I guess you know,
Well,
it would
what
be
I'm
helpful
asking
to
you
know.
is you said it's private.
Yeah, there's-
who,
so it's
who
port-
owns
port-
the private?
so
Who
it's-
owns the port?
So it's Port of Oakland property.
Port of
It
Oakland.
was granted by the state of California. If you history,
So
I
it's
guess.
public property then.
No, you cannot get in my office, for example.
Well, if your office is closed, but that doesn't mean that the building is private property.
Okay.
Let me ask a question. Does the public come here and conduct business?
Yeah, business.
Yeah, so it's public.
No.